This question has come in 2014 JEE Advanced. It is a question on relative motion. It says aeroplanes A and B are flying with constant velocity in the same vertical plane at angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees with respect to the horizontal respectively, as shown in the figure. There are two aeroplanes. One is flying at 30 degrees with the horizontal, another one at 60 degrees with the horizontal. The speed of A is 100 root 3 meter per second. Speed of A is given. At time t is equal to 0, an observer in A finds B at a distance of 500 meter. This observer in A finds B at a distance of 500 meters. This observer sees B moving with a constant velocity perpendicular to the line of motion of A. If t is equal to t0, A just escapes being hit by B. Then what is the time t0 in seconds? See, to do this type of question, he basically says that there is an observer in A and this plane is going at a particular angle. If you see here, this is going at 60 and this is going at 30. Somewhere definitely they will go and hit. About to be hit means almost the hitting time. But the observer in A, when he is looking at B, how he is seeing that? He is seeing B in a line perpendicular to A. That means velocity of B with respect to A is given. To understand it this way, let us say two cars are going. One car is going at 60 km per hour. A person A is sitting there. Another car also 60 km per hour. Person B is there. If this person A, from his window, he looks at B, it will look like, perpendicular to the A. So for this question, we need to identify what is the vector which is parallel to A and what is the vector which is perpendicular to A. So here this B vector is there. So it is like this. A vector is making 30 degrees. Draw a parallel vector starting from this point. So if this is the parallel vector, this angle is 30, this angle is also 30. Okay. So if this is 30, this total angle is given as 60. If 30 is gone, this is 30 degrees. So basically what are we trying to do? We are trying to convert this into this. Here you see both are parallel to each other and both magnitude is also same. Then if you draw a perpendicular from A, it will be perpendicular from A will be possible when both velocities are equal. So that means VA and the component of VB in this direction must be equal. In this parallel, that is x dash and y dash are parallel. So VA is equal to the component in y dash. So y dash component is VB cos 30. So these two are equal. VA is given, we can work out VB. So VB is 200 meter per second. Now he says that even though it is making an angle 30 degree and going like this, the person in A feels as if this plane is coming in which direction? It is coming in a direction perpendicular to the vector A. They may be going like this, but the person, because there is a relative motion involved, the person A feels as if this plane is coming in this direction and is going to hit him. Actually, to a person who is on the ground, he knows that this is going like this. If a person on the ground is watching here, he will think that it is going to hit somewhere here like this. But a person in A feels as if you draw a perpendicular from A, he is able to see the person B. So this distance is provided as 500 meters. Now you know the velocity in this direction. Now you have, let us imagine you have a straight line. The length is 500. You know the velocity. You have to find the time. Velocity into distance is equal to velocity into time is equal to distance. So you can work out the time t0. So, but which velocity we have to take? We have to take the component which is perpendicular to A, the component which is perpendicular to A is basically VB sin 30. Why? Because VB cos 30 and VA, like here, they are parallel to each other. So obviously the vector which is perpendicular to this will be perpendicular to this also. So you get VB sin 30. It is 200 into 1 by 2, 100. So 100 into T0 is equal to 500, or T0 is equal to 5 seconds. That means for 4.95 seconds they will be almost about to hit them, and at 5 seconds it's like you are almost there, and you are almost. So this person will be feeling as if the plane is coming like this, but actually they are going like this, and they are going to hit somewhere at some point C. That is out of the discussion of this question.